The Bible you hold today, 66 books bound in leather or glowing on a screen, wasn't always this way. 17 books once sat alongside Genesis and Revelation, revered, read, then removed. Why? Who decided? And what did those books contain that made them vanish from the canon? Today, we dive into the mystery of the missing 17, the books removed from the Bible. Before the Bible was a book, it was a collection: scrolls, letters, oral traditions. Early Jewish and Christian communities circulated dozens of texts. Some were poetic, some prophetic, some controversial. The Old Testament canon wasn't finalized until around 100 CE, and the New Testament not until the 4th century. So what happened in between? Councils, politics, theology, and a battle over what counted as inspired. The term removed is misleading. These books weren't ripped out, they were never universally accepted. The Catholic Church includes several of them in the deuterocanonical books: Tobit, Judith, Wisdom, Sirach, Baruch, and 1 and 2 Maccabees. But during the Protestant Reformation, reformers like Martin Luther questioned their authority. The King James Bible originally included them in a separate section, the Apocrypha, but later editions dropped them entirely. Let's name them. Among the most discussed are the Book of Enoch, a cosmic vision of angels, judgment, and the Nephilim; the Gospel of Thomas, 114 sayings of Jesus, no miracles, no crucifixion; the Shepherd of Hermas, a mystical guide to repentance and spiritual growth; the Book of Jubilees, a retelling of Genesis with added laws and timelines; 1 and 2 Esdras, the Prayer of Manasseh, the Psalms of Solomon, the Apocalypse of Baruch, each offering insight, poetry, or prophecy. These books were revered by some early Christians, quoted by church fathers, preserved in ancient manuscripts. But they didn't meet the final criteria: apostolic origin, theological consistency, widespread use. So why does this matter now? Because understanding what was excluded helps us understand what was included. These lost books challenge us to think critically about faith, authority, and history. They remind us that the Bible is not just a book, it's a curated library shaped by centuries of debate. And they offer spiritual insights that, while not canonical, still resonate with seekers today. The Bible's journey is far from simple, but its impact unmatched. Whether you read 66 books or explore the lost 17, the goal remains: to seek truth, wisdom, and divine connection. Subscribe for more faith-based deep dives. Drop a comment. Which lost book intrigues you most? And remember, every scroll, every verse, every omission has a story. Let's keep uncovering them.